Hey guys, I thought I'd just quickly make a video of a very strange problem that I'm running into. I have this dog model, and I did have a mirror modifier at one point, but I applied it down the line at some point because the texture is in fact not mirrored. There are differences on both sides of the model, so you'll notice that it's a little darker here than here, and I need this to be the case for for the game that I'm making this for. So it was mirrored, but I applied the modifier at some point. So what I was trying to do was I was trying to mirror the weight paints to the other side of the leg. So if I paint here, I want it just to like copy over to this leg for this bone. And you should be able to do that with Xmirror Topology Mirror, but you'll see in a moment when I paint on the leg here, just to show you, and then select this bone, it's copied not everything. So it somehow applied that, but it didn't actually copy the stuff that I painted here. And I noticed that it works fine at the front of the model. So if I go here and do the same thing and paint on this arm and then select this bone, it copies it perfectly fine. So and it works the face as well, so it seems like there's some point at the back of the model where it stops working. And what's even stranger is if I go into edit mode with this model, hang on, just disable that. If I go into edit mode and I enable have these things enable Xmirror and Topology Mirror, and I start at the back of the model, I move one of these vertices, it's not copying the movement. I'd expect this one to move in a mirrored fashion, but it's not. And if I work my way up the back here, there's a point where it starts working, but it doesn't really. Yeah, here we go. What's that? Why did that happen? And it does this for everything on the front part of the model. And if I go down more and try to move that, it doesn't jump down as far, but it's still really wrong. So yeah, this is some really strange behavior, and I really wish I could, copy the weights, but it seems like this model's somehow broken or something. So any help is greatly appreciated.